Welcome to the City Insights portal, created by CKH Group. This is a modern, centralized platform designed to help municipalities showcase real progress on their capital and infrastructure projects, and make it accessible to everyone. In this demo, I'll walk you through both the public-facing dashboard that residents see and the staff portal that makes managing it simple. Let's start with the public dashboard of municipal projects, the part that lives right on your city's website. This is where residents, businesses, and community leaders can see what's happening, where funding is going, and how the city is moving forward. No confusing reports, no outdated PDFs, just a live, custom-built dashboard that builds trust through transparency. You'll see key stats right up front: total projects underway, budget progress, and overall completion. Navigation on the left lets visitors explore by project category, such as goals in your comp plan, infrastructure improvements, or SPLOST projects. You can pick whichever categories make the most sense for your municipality. Residents can explore an overview of each category before diving into specific projects. They'll see timelines, funding sources, departments involved, and how far along each effort is. Clicking into project details opens up the full story. You'll get a description, timeline milestones, visual progress, and the latest updates. So if you're constantly receiving requests from your constituents on the updates of a project, all you have to do now is direct them to your public dashboard. It's everything a resident might ask, available online, always current, and easy to navigate. Now introducing City Insights portal. So where does all the information displayed on the dashboard come from? Our intuitive data management portal means your team doesn't need to clean up spreadsheets, build dashboards, or spend hours formatting a report. All they have to do is upload the files they already have: PDFs, Excel sheets, meeting minutes, plan documents, and we'll handle the rest. You can also connect systems like QuickBooks or Edmunds GovTech, and we'll automatically pull in relevant project data. Staff simply choose the project, upload the file, and submit. CKH reviews, cleans, and integrates the data, and once approved, it's published to the dashboard. The staff portal includes a tracker to monitor submission status of your data, what's pending, what's under review, and what's already gone live. It replaces dozens of emails, folders, and Excel logs with one clear place to see what's happening. For your residents, that means clear answers and open communication. They can see how funding is being used, track construction progress, and understand where city dollars are going. And for your staff and city managers, it means no manual cleanup, no design work, and no bottlenecks. You just upload and get a beautiful, branded dashboard on the other side. You can even use it as your internal project tracking tool. CKH does the lifting, you get the visibility. The City Insights portal is fast to implement, effortless to maintain, and makes your city look good, because the work you're doing deserves to be seen. Reach out to CKH Group to see how we can get this live for your city without a heavy lift from your team.